Hi, welcome to the video how to customize access token generation in Spring Authorization Server. With me, I'm Haming at code Java.net. In this video, I'd like to share with you how to modify the access token generation process performed by Spring Authorization Server in order to update some claims such as update issuer name and expiration time, or add some claims such as adding scope and name, or removing claims such as removing the claim audience. Here you see I have a Java Spring Boot project in which a Spring Authorization Server is enabled in this configuration class. In this security filter chain, as you can see, it enables Spring Authorization Server with default security settings, and for the client credentials I use in-memory clients or in-memory users with two register clients, client 1, client 2, with the details such as client ID, client name, client secret, scope. And let me start this Java Spring Boot application here to test the Get Access Token API provided by Spring Authorization Server to see what the issue access token looks like. Okay, you see the application has started on port number ATT context path slash. Let me use the Postman desktop application here to test the Get Access Token API with this endpoint. HTTP method is post, and in the body we specify the body data type is x www from URL encoded with 3 parameters: runtime, client ID, and client secret. Note that the values of client ID and client secret should match the client ID and client secret in this in-memory register client details here, client 2 and password 2, as you can see here. Okay, click send button here, and you can see the server returns status to our OK, and the response body is a JSON document that has access token in the field access underscore token type bearer, and expiration time is about 300 seconds or 5 minutes. And let me decode this access token. So I copy the generated access token by Spring Authorization Server and use an online tool to decode it, such as the jwt.io website here. Okay, and paste the generated access token here to have it decoded. Okay, the generated access token decoded here. You can see the header information, algorithm, and token type, and payload is the set of claims. You can see the claims generated by Spring Authorization Server are subject audience, not valid before issuer, expiration time, issued, and JWT or unique identifier for the token. So I want to modify the access token generation process in order to update the values of issuer. I don't want to use this URL and to use my organization name for the issuer, and I want to set expiration time for a longer value, and I want to remove the claim audience here because it is duplication of subject here. Okay, so let me show you how to customize the access token generation process. Okay, back to the project, and in order to alter, to modify, customize the access token generation process in this configuration class, we declare a new bin of type OAuth2 token customizer like this, OAuth2 token customizer. With the generic parameter is JWT encoding context, JWT encoding context, okay, and then the method name token customizer. Okay, and here we use a lambda expression to return a class of a new object of type auto token customizer like this. Token customizer return context. Firstly, we need to check the access token type that equals to access token. So we have if statement here. If auto token type dot access token equals with the context dot get access token, get token type. Okay, if the token type is access token, then we write the code to customize the access token here. You can see in this example, the server will use the in-memory client credentials returned in this method register client repository, and to get the current register client, we can write a statement like this: register client equal context get register client, and get builder get claims from the context get claims is return an object of type builder. Okay, and from the builder object here we can update the claims we want. For example, I want to update the issue name, so I call builder.issue. You can see it provides the method to update audience ID. You can see here update audience ID, issue at time, issue name, not before, subject. So we can use these methods to update existing claims in the generated access token. Now, for example, I want to update the issuer name, so I call the method issuer. Okay, and I want to use my organization name, for example, my great company. And I also want to update, modify the expiration time for a longer value, so I can call the method expire add here, and here we need to plus a unit of time to the current time instant.now.plus. Here I add 10 minutes to set the expiration time is 10 minutes, and specify the time unit is critical unit is minutes. Okay, this means the expiration time of the new issue access token will be 10 minutes. Okay, now let me test the get access token API again and check the decoded access token. Okay, click send button here and copy the generated access token, copy and paste into the online tool here to decode. Okay, it is decoded, and you can see now the value of the claim issuer got updated to migrate company, and the expiration time updated here, and you can see in the response body here the expiration time is now updated to about 600 seconds or 10 minutes usually. So this is the first example showing how to update the claims in the issue access token in a Spring Authorization server. And next, let me show you how to add new claims to the issue access token. So to add new claims, we can write the code like this. We use the builder claims, and we use lambda expression here, claims, and we write the code to update, to alter the claims. Yeah, for example, I want to put the claim about scope. As you can see here, the client credentials, the client details has scope read right, but in the generated access token, here you see it doesn't have the claim scope or name. So I want to add the claims scope and name. Okay, so here we use claims put scope, and I get scope from the client object get scopes, and I also want to add the claims name. Name is the client name. So here I can call client.get client name. Okay, quite simple, right? And let me test. Okay, and call the get access token API again, and copy the new generated access token and decode it here to check the claims. Now you see in the new access token it has a new claim scope, which is right, and new claim name, which is David Kumar. Let me check the client details here. Client ID David Kumar and scope right, exactly, you see. Name David Kumar and scope right. And lastly, let me show you how to remove a claim from the payload in the issue access token. As you can see here, in the generated access token, we have the claim audience, which is a duplication of subject, so I don't want it, so I want to remove. So in the code, we simply call claims remove. Claims here is the map, remove. The key is audience. AUD like this. Okay, very simple. And test again. Okay, this time I test get the access token with client 1, password 1, scope read here. So I update the request here. Client ID client 1, password 1. Click send, and I got a new access token here. And let me copy and decode it here and check the claims. Sorry, let me copy again. Copy again and paste here. Okay, now you see in the generated access token, the claim audience is removed, you see. Now I have the claims expected subject, not before, scope, issue, name, expiration time. That's great, right? So far you have learned how to customize the access token generation in Spring Authorization server. You know how to add, update and remove claims in the issue access tokens. I hope you found this video helpful. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share this video. Thanks for watching.